What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add moving text in Clipchamp. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Clipchamp. After that you will see this first official website of Clipchamp. Click on this website and after that you will be redirected to Clipchamp, and from here you can try it for free or you can sign in with your email and password and then you can use it, but I am trying it for free for now. And after clicking here you will be welcome to the home page of Clipchamp. So now from here click on create a new video, and clicking here you will be redirected to the video importing and editing screen. So from here, just import your media. Like you want to import the videos, like this video. I will just simply open it and you can see my video is here. And from here now I will click on text. On your left side, you can of text. Just click here and then drag and drop the text into the video, guys. Yes, into the video. And so as you can see, the text line has been appeared here and here also. Now the text is selected, and on the left side you can see the effects. After clicking on the effects, here are some of the effects like the pulse, and you can add the speed and amount. Here is the VHS. You can add multiple text movements like this, and if you want like this slow zoom random, you can just simply do it and then you can extend it all the way till the end of your video. So after that, when you play the video, the text effect will be applied. So let's play the video. So here is the text editor. As you can see, the text was moving, and this is how you can add moving text in Clipchamp. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.